This is David Pogue. We make 30 billion tons of concrete every year, enough to build the Hoover Dam 12 times a day. Unfortunately, to make it, we heat up crushed limestone to extreme temperatures by burning coal. The process produces more carbon pollution than all the world's ships and planes put together.
It generates mountains and mountains of CO2 into the atmosphere.
Christina Crater and Ben Griffin are executives at Biomason in North Carolina,
Insta-calcium carbonate,
where they make cement at room temperature. No burning coal, no fiery kilns, only bacteria.
These are naturally occurring microbes. We're making these tiles with microbes the same way you might make bread, you might make cheese, only now we're using it to make materials and infrastructure.
And why not? Nature uses a cement-like material called calcium carbonate all the time in seashells, coral reefs, limestone, and marble. Biomason's bacteria make the same stuff on command.
And do you have any examples of the finished stuff?
You're working on it.
Cement is like the glue. Mix in sand and gravel, and you get concrete.
Can you walk us through the whole process of making a batch?
Once we have the bacteria, we would mix it with our sand, our rocks. It gets pressed into molds to take the form that you want that final product to be. After that, we would then provide food for the bacteria.
That chemical food triggers the bacteria to produce cement, right there in the sand and gravel.
This is the calcium carbonate.
Erin Eitel operates the electron microscope.
But we can zoom out, and you can see here the calcite is cementing these pieces together, and this is what's building strength in our cement.
And it's a lot of strength.
We are at 29,000 pound force.
Katie Mayer tests samples in a hydraulic press.
35,000. Hey, yo. That was a big one. So that one required 38,515 pounds of force.
That's roughly double what driveway concrete would take.
Biomason's process is ideal for making pre-formed shapes like tiles, slabs, pavers, curbs, bricks, and highway barriers.
We've made structures as large as 12 inches thick, 6 feet high.
Biomason has a small plant running now in Denmark. It's also designing a huge commercial plant. And it plans to license its technology to thousands of other concrete companies. Making cement the way nature does has all kinds of advantages. But for Biomason, this is the big one.
We're just trying to get rid of cement and the CO2 that pollutes into the environment.